flood warning for the Yellow Breeches Creek near Camp Hill until Thursday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 7 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 6.6 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage late this evening and crest near 7.2 feet by after midnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage early Thursday morning. At 7.0 feet, low-lying areas in the Green Lane Farms development on the right bank of Yellow Breeches Creek begin to flood. A mobile home park near Williams Grove is also affected by high water.